family, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making today we are going to do cook with me Liberian dry rice. Yes, this rice is gonna be delicious. Oh my god. Okay, let's go through the ingredients. We're gonna use onions, we are gonna need some luncheon meat, we are going to need some okra, and we are also going to need some, come on, hurry up, come on, some sardine, I almost forgot, some sardine, and of course we need rice, right, to make the dry rice. So we are gonna get ready to prepare the, it's gonna be kind of like a stew or not a stew, you'll see anyway, you are going to see that. But before we get into cooking this delicious Liberian dry rice, please do me a favor. If you have not already subscribed to my channel after watching this video, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below, and also do me a favor, hit the notification bell so YouTube can share this video to more people, okay? And share this with your family. Leave me a comment down below, what do you want to see me cook next, okay? And of course I'm gonna start cutting the ingredients, the bell peppers, the onions, and all the good stuff. You're gonna see me prepare that. And I don't know, I have said it a few times on my channel, I'm not really good at doing voiceover, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the cooking, enjoy the music. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe down below, okay? I might pop in here and there if I need to say something, or if I need to tell you guys something, I might pop in and out, okay? All right, enjoy the cooking and don't forget to subscribe. See ya, bye.